Welcome to this instructional video where we'll guide you through the process of installing the AdoptHF app and creating your account. Follow along to discover how this app can revolutionize your heart failure management. Depending on the type of smartphone you have, you can download the app from either the Apple App Store or the Google Play Store. After you have installed the app on your phone, you can create an account using your preferred email address. The app will then bring you to a page to enter an invitation code given to you in your AdoptHF Welcome Kit. If you forget your password at any time, don't worry. You can reset it by clicking on the Forgot Password button. A new link will be sent to your email, and you can use that link to set up a new password. When you first sign in, you will be asked if you want to receive notifications about potential changes to your medications and appointment reminders. We highly recommend that you allow these notifications. When you first log in, you will be asked to complete a short health registration questionnaire. You will be asked to input the following data: birth date, sex assigned at birth, dry weight, most recent levels of your blood potassium and creatinine, heart failure specific medications that you are taking, also known as GDMT, and their doses, and any upcoming appointments scheduled with your heart failure team. Now it's time to connect your Omron blood pressure cuff and weight scale with the app. To link the AdoptHF app with Omron devices, you should start by clicking on the account icon in the top right corner of the app. Towards the bottom of the page, you will see an option that says Bluetooth devices. Click this option and it will bring you to the page where you will add your devices. Now find your Omron device and make sure it is turned off and placed close to your phone. Next, press and hold the Bluetooth button on the device for 3 to 5 seconds. For the scale, this button is located on the top edge of the device, and for the blood pressure cuff, the button is on the back right corner. When you see the flashing P on the device screen, release the button. This means the device is ready to pair. In the AdoptHF app, click Pair New Device or the plus button in the top right corner of the screen. A window will pop up asking if you want to pair the accessory device. Press Pair and that's it, the device is now connected to the AdoptHF app. Repeat those steps for both devices. You should see both devices in the Bluetooth page once they are connected. After you measure your blood pressure and weight, when you go into the app, a window will pop up that says Measurement Recorded. It will tell you what the measurement was and when it was recorded. As long as this measurement is accurate, press Save and the data will automatically be loaded into the app. That's it. Everything is ready, and now you can start using the AdoptHF app. If you have any questions about the app, or about your individual heart failure care, contact your clinical team. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.